So we're about to return all these wide pipe, get the correct one. I think that ended up actually being my fault, that he had the wrong one. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put some more E85 in my car just to avoid going to the gas station. And then we're gonna go swap the pipe out. We'll check back in when we get back. So we just got back with the new wide pipe. It's definitely much wider. I probably should have filmed the differences, but the pipes right here, it's like almost 2 inches wider than the other one. So we'll get to throwing that on real quick. And then if Richard ever gets here, we have the dog bone insert
yeah.
for his car, Richard's car, and Mario's car.
And Mario, yeah, Mario.
So I can't see shit. My fucking glass all fogged up. So anyways, we're gonna, I don't know if we'll throw those on tonight or not, but we're still waiting on Richard to get here. BPT. Should have put some grease on there. Should have lubed it up. Yeah.
Should I put it in first and then lift it up?
You could try. Yeah, do that. You probably have to loosen the other one.
Huh?
In order to pick it up, you probably have to loosen the other one. And technically that's like super crooked.
Yeah.
It should be like this. It should be leaning like this.
This one is crooked?
If that's flat and the exhaust is pointed down back there, then when you pick up on it, it's going to be like this. Right? So pull this side down and bring that side up. Yeah, and then put the screw in over there. The bolt.
What is it?
13.
13?
I think.
Okay.
I think so. What'd you use to take off that other one?
15.
Okay, 15. That's what I said. Whoops. I blew all this dirt that shit went straight to you.
Well, I didn't feel it.
Okay, never mind. Nothing happened.
I was like, what? What do you mean?
See? Are your exhaust tips straight and shit? So a new wide pipe is on. Tips are on.
Happy guy.
Coming down like a cow pissing on a flat rock. It's raining hard as shit. So, I don't know. If Richard, I don't know if we're gonna do that thing. Where the fuck is Richard?
Oh, let's start fixing my truck shifter. Make it shorter.
We'll reach it better. So what are we doing?
We gonna next to go we put a sharp shifter on my car, and then left it halfway. When I got a new, I wanted it that all the way shorter, but my dumbass listened to them, so we're gonna go ahead and change it.
Why they
suggested, yeah.
Always.
I don't mind. I was like, what's gonna be the point to get a sharp shifter and leave it halfway?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and change it.
Shorten it all the way.
All the way.
And I'm gonna put this on a real stand because my hands are shaking.
You can see we had it right here.
Yeah. So just take that off. Take this screw out. At some point they might have to air. I hate this fucking part. Where's that flathead?
Right on the.
Fucking flatheads everywhere. to shorten it, we need to bring this one in and this one down. So we gotta pop these off. It's gonna fuck up the alignment, I think.
Is it?
Maybe.
I gotta get an alignment anyway too.
No, not that alignment. Your shifter alignment. So we gotta loosen this and scoot it over. I think that's a 13. Let me see.
You gotta do the same thing in the other side.
Same thing on the, yeah. So we're gonna loosen this now and then scoot it over. So that one's short now. Fuck you. Fuck you. Now I gotta change this one. This way. Dude, what the fuck? Oh, finally.
Now you can help. Use that to help it to push it up.
Push it down. It needs to go down.
It needs to go down?
Yes. We might as well just adjust the throw. I mean just the home, since we're here now.
Just the what?
The home position.
What is that?
Your shifter might not make it into all the gears because of changing that. Check, go through the gears.
Yeah.
Hey, Junior, don't push the clutch in.
Just up here?
Yeah, just. Reverse. Is it going in or no? Go through them again, but hold. Each one you go in, let go. No, I think you should adjust it. Pop your cover off. So now with this set all the way short, what's your impressions now?
Shit, way better.
Even better than the first impression?
Yes.
Cool.
Should have let them leave it halfway. Should have told them to do straight structure. So you're gonna already felt your car how it was.
That's gonna be it for this video. This is a short one today, but it's all we have time for. We got some other shit happening in like 30 seconds that we got to get to. So, man, I hope that hair is not in the video the whole time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.